This video will contain my comments with my presentation. I know I lack preparation during my discussion because user told us that hindi po kayo mag-extend up to 6 p.m. And during my presentation, it is already past 6. So, yung tendency po nun, minadali ko na lang po yung presentation ko. And for the slides, I know it is not good enough. It is not good visual presentation. Kaya, next time, babaguhin ko na yon. I know I lack preparation. Hindi ko isipang mabuti what will I discuss, and because I'm not fond of talking in front of a crowd. Hindi ako sanay magsalita sa maraming tao. And hindi ito ang passion ko. Kaya binara-bara ko na lang yung pagpili ng topic ko, and minadali ko na lang din yung presentation ko. But since nag-comment po kayo that I have the command to conduct a talk, then it boosts my ego, sir. It boosts my confidence na I have the capacity to talk in front of a crowd. Thank you, sir.